Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm unboxing my first Birchbox. That sounds interesting, you want to see what I got? Stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so very glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, Birchbox is a monthly subscription box. It costs $15 a month. If you buy a 6-month subscription, it works out to be $14 a month. They also offer a 12-month subscription for $156, which works out to be $13 a month. I subscribed under a promotion. They gave me 40% off an annual prepaid subscription. So I paid $93.60 for the whole year, which works out to be $7.80 per box. I thought that was a pretty good deal. They say you get 4 to 6 deluxe samples every month. They don't specify a value, so we're not looking for a target, but I do want to see what we're getting each month. And we think it's worth the $15 a month, or in my case, is it even worth the $7.80 a month? So let's see. First of all, it's a very pretty little box. It is a lot smaller than some other boxes, but they do have a little sign on here. It says this box is recyclable. Please reuse me. This would be good for storing items. It's a nice little box that you could actually wrap and use for a gift box for the holidays, so not unhappy. And inside we have a little card. They say fill this out, take a photo, upload to Instagram, and tag Birchbox for a chance to win a U-Time care package. So that's what this is. And then on the back we have the products. So we'll take a look. It does tell you what the full size would be, but it doesn't tell you anything about the size we got. So of course I've done the math. That's what I do. Again, nice tissue paper. This sort of reminding me a little bit of Glossy Box, and look fantastic in their presentation, you know, versus some of the others who just kind of throw everything in. So they get points for me on presentation. But let's see what's actually in the box. So the first thing I see in the middle of the box is from, and correct me if I'm pronouncing this wrong, is it Oribe? This is a hair care line. I've never used them before, but I have seen them and I've heard good things about them. I understand they're very pricey. This is a dry texturizing spray. They say that this invisible dry hairspray builds an incredible volume and sexy texture. And patented polymers absorb oil at the roots, leaving you with just styled hair for days and nights. Full size of this would be 8.5 ounces in retail for $48. A travel size would be 2.2 ounces, retailing for $23. This is a 1 ounce deluxe sample. So the value on this little guy is $10.45. Unfortunately, I got all the texture I can use, but I do know people that would benefit from this kind of product. So this is definitely not for me, but it's not a sample I'm unhappy to have. So I'm starting out okay. Next, from Benefit Cosmetics, this is the They're Real Beyond Mascara. It's a lengthening mascara. Say hold the wand horizontally and wiggle it from side to side, base to tip for length and lift. Hold it vertically and stroke upward to curl and separate. Full size in this would be 8.5 grams, retail for $25. This is a 3-gram deluxe sample. Value would be about $8.82. I'm so tired of mascara samples. I mean, I know a lot of people like getting mascara samples because mascaras go bad so quickly and you need to be replacing them and stuff, but I have so many. And I've gotten this one so many times. I'm kind of like, well, okay. Next we have from Too Cool for School. This is all-in-one Egg Mellow Cream 5-in-1 Firming Moisturizer. This is a brand I have not heard of. They say it's an all-in-one firming anti-aging moisturizer that serves as serum, priming moisturizer, neck cream, eye cream, and sleeping mask for plump, supple, resilient, well moisturized skin. The full size on this would be 50 milliliters or 1.69 fluid ounces and retail for $36. So this deluxe sample, which is 10 milliliters, would have a value of about $7.20, but right now on Walgreens, as part of their Birchbox at Walgreens section of their website, they have a 15 milliliter available for $4. So again, let me know if you've tried this. It may be like the Holy Grail moisturizer and I just haven't discovered it yet, but just like, it's okay. Next we have from Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. This is a leave-in cream that weightlessly provides superior hydration and lightweight conditioning, leaving hair supernaturally soft and smooth with brilliant shine. Well, okay, that's something I can certainly use. Again, my hair's fairly unruly, so anything that's going to help with making it feel soft and shiny and everything is going to be okay in my book. Full size in this would be 100 milliliters, retail for $25. This is a 20 milliliter sample. So value on this is $5. Hey there, me again. Did I show you what my hat does? What do you think? Is it too much? Anyway, I'm here to talk about today's giveaway. Today is day number 10 of 25 days of giveaways. So let's take a quick look at what's going to be in this box and go through the rules real quick, and we'll go back to the regular video. So everybody gets a makeup bag and some sheet masks. So this one includes from Tony Moly, Illuminating I'm Lotus sheet mask, and from Rodial, the Dragon's Blood lip mask. And for skincare, we start out with Perricone MD. This is Cold Plasma Plus. From Murad, we have the AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. From H2O Plus Hydration Oasis, this is the Refreshing Gel Moisturizer. From Farsali Privé, this is the Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. From Lavido, this is the Age Away Hydrating Cream. And from Avette, this is Fresh Clean Coconut Mild Foam Cleanser. From Mamonde, this is Petal Spa Oil to Foam. And from Sundari, this is Chamomile Eye Oil. Another one from Lavido, this is Patchouli, Vanilla, and Shea Butter Nurturing Hand Cream. Sure need that with all the hand washing we're doing. And for your hair, from Pure Mix, I have Native Fig. This is a duo of a replenishing shampoo and conditioner, just little 1-packs. From Amika, this is Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. And from, is it Jose Maran? I think it's Josie Maran. Josie Maran? Well, whoever it is has 100% pure argan oil, which I'm assuming is for your hair. And let's move into the makeup. From Ico, we start out with the Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. From Morphe, the High Impact Highlighter in Boom. And here is the shade. From Dior, we have the Dior Show Iconic Over Curl Mascara. From Flesh, this is Fleshy Lips Lipstick in the shade Moist. Here's the shade. And of course, there has to be eyeshadow. So we have from Illuminati X Issa, the Illuminati X Issa palette. And here are those shades. From Beauty Bakery, the Breakfast in Bed palette. And here are those shades. I'm in love with this palette. I think it's just such a gorgeous color story. And then also from our friends at ColourPop, we have the Candy Castle palette. This is from the Candyland collaboration. Here are those shades. And then for tools, we have from the Creme Shop, this is the Next Gen Blender set. I hope those are coming through. And from LA Splash Cosmetics, we have an eyeshadow brush set. There's 2 brushes in there, a setting brush and a defining brush. And just in case you need another one, from MotoPro, this is the Triad eye brush. And one for the face, this is from SL Miss Glam, the Precise powder brush. Okay, time for the rules. Now, pretty much the same as they've been every day, except, as you noticed, every day the mystery word or phrase changes so that I know that you watched that day's video. Rules will be down below without, of course, that mystery word or phrase. So, here we go. You must have a US shipping address, you must be age 18 or over, you must be subscribed to my channel with your subscriptions public. Please give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have them. My Instagram and Twitter information is down in the description box below the rules. Leave a comment that includes the word enter. And since this is number 10 and 10 is a decade, tell me your favorite decade for music. Personally, I am a lover of the classic rock days, so I would probably say the 70s, maybe the 60s, probably the 70s. But tell me your favorite type of music, favorite decade for music, so that I will know that you actually watched the video. Along with the word enter. You gotta have the word enter so the comment picker knows to look for you. So enter and your favorite decade for music. If you have Instagram or Twitter, leave me your Instagram or Twitter name so I have a second way to contact you in addition to just responding to your comment, because sometimes the YouTube notifications don't go out when they should. If you don't have Instagram or Twitter and you feel comfortable leaving me another way to get hold of you, like an email, you can do that, but you absolutely don't have to. You do not have to leave me a second way to contact you. Once I ship the box, I'm no longer responsible for the box or its contents. I will give the winner the tracking number once it ships. This giveaway is not affiliated with or sponsored by YouTube or any of the brands mentioned in the giveaway or in the regular haul video. All the items in the giveaway were purchased with my own money or received in subscription boxes, mystery boxes, and things like that were purchased with my own money. Nothing was sponsored or donated. I will leave this giveaway open until December 24th at 1 p.m. Eastern. The winner will have 48 hours to respond to me, or I'll choose another winner. And that's everything. And so now let's go back and see what she's doing in that other video. And our last item in this little box, actually a little Birchbox box, is, and I'm not going to take it out of the paper, but this is a mini jade roller. Hope you can see that, because I'm not going to take it out of the bubble wrap because I have several. I've got jade roller, I've got pink quartz roller. I kind of feel like by now, anyone who wants a jade roller has a jade roller. Is it just me? So, I mean, the retail on this, they say, is $12. Again, I kind of feel like everyone who wants one has one. I guess, you know, this is the kind of thing, if you've got a young lady in your life who doesn't have one, or if there's someone who's not really a skincare person, might make a good stocking stuffer or whatever, but I'm just kind of, meh. So, I mean, that's it. That's everything. We got the jade roller, the Amika Moisture and Shine Cream, which I will use, the all-in-one egg mellow cream from Too Cool for School, brand I've never heard of, and I would have been a little more interested, at least based on the value, if they weren't selling a larger sample than this for $4 at Walgreens as part of a Birchbox promotion for the month. Benefit mascara sample again. I've used this one. It's not my favorite. I have plenty of mascaras. I'm just kind of meh. And the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. If I had limp, fine hair, I think I would be thrilled with this. It just is not for me. So, yeah. Again, it's 4 to 6 deluxe samples for $15 a month. With the discount, I paid $7.80 per box, so I'm not necessarily looking for as high of a value as I would at 15. Calculated retail value on this box, $43.47. Not my favorite box, but again, that's what you get when you get these boxes every month, particularly when they're samples. The fact that there were 2 hair care in here, those of you who get Birchbox, let me know, is that common? You know, hair is one of those things where either a product's gonna work for you or it just isn't. There's not a whole lot of in between. So, so far my first box, I'm just kind of, okay, well, I'm taking a wait and see attitude. Because I got that great deal, I'm subscribed for the year anyway, so we'll see what we get coming up. But so far, I'm sure this would have been a great box for somebody. That's somebody who isn't really me this month. So leave any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. Thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe. Be kind to yourself. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.